This is another very short podcast. The topic is, where does the Code of Civil Procedure give power to the trial court to appoint an amicus curiae? We frequently notice, usually in the High Court, that some distinguished lawyer is asked to address the court on a case as amicus curiae. What is this amicus curiae? When a party is not represented by a lawyer, or when the judge is doubtful or mistaken in a matter of law, the court may ask a lawyer whom the court believes to be well versed in that branch of law to assist it. The word amicus curiae implies the friendly intervention of an advocate to remind the court of some matter of law which has escaped its notice and in regard to which it is in danger of going wrong. Prior to 1976, it appears that civil courts did not have a specific power to appoint amicus curiae to assist it in the course of proceedings before the trial court. By the 1976 amendment to the Code of Civil Procedure, Rule 10 capital A was inserted in Order 1. It means that it is prospective, apparently has to be. It gives statutory recognition of the practice of the court requesting any advocate to assist it by arguments as amicus curiae. Previously, there was no statutory recognition. The courts used to ask and lawyers used to help. Now, the civil courts also have the power to ask any advocate to assist it. The power of the civil court under this rule, however, is still restricted to cases where a defendant has an interest which is likely to be affected and such defendant is not represented by any advocate. I am of the view that where the parties in a civil court are represented by advocates, it may not be open to the trial court under Order 1, Rule 10 capital A to call upon some other advocate not involved in the case or representing any of the parties to assist it amicus curiae. The power is there now, it is limited, and courts, in cases where the defendant is not represented, seek assistance from senior members of the bar or any other lawyer well versed in a particular subject or branch of law to assist it so that ultimately justice can be done.